पेरेंट्स क्या करते हैं, बच्चों के ऊपर चीजें थोपने लगते हैं, राइट? कि आप 10 चीजें करो, साथ में स्पोर्ट्स भी मैनेज करो. So I think the first thing that parents need to stop doing is compare their kid to somebody else. Once they feel like, no, my parents understand me, I feel heard in the house. And here is where the long-term development of an athlete comes into picture. आपने कैसे manage किया? You know, you played sports to such a level. I felt like something was missing. मैं कॉलेज में बताने भी नहीं वाली हूँ कि मैं ये टूर्नामेंट खेलने जा रही हूँ या ये मीट करने जा रही हूँ. Sometimes it's very difficult to break those notions because everybody is like कि अगर आप MBBS में तो आप पढ़ाई करोगे. I think that limitation जो आप एक डालते हो, I think that is the issue. आपको पहली बार जो इंडिया का कलर मिलता है तो I think there is no feeling that is comparable to that. I think हर पेरेंट का ड्रीम होता है कि चला कि अगर मेरी my daughter is representing the country तो I want to go and see कि यार nation इतना उन एथलीट्स को रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं कर पाता है. कुछ एथलीट्स हैं जिनको ओवर द टॉप चीजें मिल जाती हैं just because of XYZ reasons. An athlete gets everything once they're at the top. There are injuries, there are roadblocks, there are things that he can't figure out. There's plateauing of performance. How do you break that? If you want to be a factory that produces those athletes at a regular basis at such a high level, then there has to be that support system. वहाँ पर coaches are the better, infrastructures are the better in comparison to what we have it here in India. आज की time में we have good infrastructure, we have good support system with the private sector coming in. अगर coach है तो equipment नहीं है, equipment नहीं है तो equipment है तो जगह नहीं है. That point I felt like there was a huge gap between the hospital and the athlete on the ground.